Welcome back. So in section 11, we're going to see how to build a dictionary. So here's our dictionary. It starts off empty initially, and we add items to it. So we can see that a sample item has been added to a dictionary called menu. So chicken Alfredo at a cost of $14.50. And then we're asked to add 3 more items to that dictionary: a hamburger, a French fries, and a Coke. So you can add any 3 menu items that you want. And then we're going to, at the end, print out the menu, and we'll see those 4 items added to the menu. So let's go ahead and run that code. And we can see right here the menu or the dictionary: chicken Alfredo, Coke, hamburger, and French fries.